Mardi Gras, so we're in 5496. It's September. This is the second time we've been on the ship. We were here last year at the same time, but I'm going to do a balcony tour so you can see the closet space. You get a safe. Really good closet space. I mostly use shelves. I don't bring a lot of hang-up stuff on a cruise. Super informal. Look at that. If you are platinum or some status where you get free water, make sure you do not drink that. Get the water from a bar or something. That's just how it is. And here's your fridge. I will say the air conditioning on this ship is still really good because it's pretty new. There's your hair dryer. Look at all the outlets, tons of outlets. Okay.